Good morning, children. Already we learned expanded form. Now, expanded form is given. You have to write the number formed with 110 plus 6 ones. That is ones, tens. 6 ones, 110. The number is 16. How do you read it? 16. 3 tens plus 4 ones. Ones, tens. 3 tens, 4 ones. How do you read it? 34. 4 tens. That's all. Then ones, tens. 4 in the tens place. There are no ones here. 0 ones. We read it as 40. So this is about expanded form. Now we shall go with before, after and between number. Already we learned from in the this concept in the numbers from 0 to 9. This we shall learn in 2-digit numbers now. Before, after, between. See here, a number which is, take the number 15. A number which is left to the given number is before number, and a number which is to the right to the given number is after number. A number which is to the middle to the given two numbers is the between number. It is middle to 14 and 16, that is 15. It is middle, it is between number. A number which is left to the given number is before number. A number which is right to the given number is after number. And a number which is in the middle of the given two numbers is the between number. Let us go with the exercise now. Write the before numbers. See here, 23, 24, the before number is 22. And 40, 41, the number that comes before 40 is 39. When there is 0 in the ones place, there will be total change in the number, 39. 32, 31 is the before number of 32. So 31, 32, 33. And write the after number. After number. Seventeen, 18 dash. $38, $39. 17, 18, 19. 38, 39. 40 and 42, 43, 44. So in this way you can write after numbers and before numbers. Between number, write the number Write the between number. The number that comes between 15 and 17. 15, 16, 17. The number that comes between 28 and 30. So 28 after comes 29. And the number that comes out between 40 and 42. 40, 41, 42. The number that comes between 35, 37, 36, 35, 36, 37. In this way, you can write between, before, and after numbers. Write 3 numbers before 20. Before 20, 3 numbers: 17, 18, 19. Or before 20 before comes 19, 19 before comes 18, 18 before comes 17. In this way you can write. Write 4 numbers after 26. 27, 28, 29, 30. 4 numbers after 26. Write 3 numbers between 37, 36 and 40. Three numbers. That's in the truth. So 36 after 37, 38, 39, 40. Let us go with comparison of numbers. So what is comparison? Comparison is just nothing but which is big, which is small. So in the objects we can easily say this is a plant, this is a tree. So which is small, which is big? This is plant is small and tree is big. So this is smaller than this. We show with the symbol this is less than. Compare with numbers, we call this symbol as less than. This is watermelon. This is a mango. This is bigger than this. So As we compare objects, we compare numbers also. We shall see which number is big, which number is small. And if both are equal, we use the symbol equal to. This is less than, this is greater than, and this is equal to. These are the symbols we use to compare the numbers. Now, let us see. Count the number of objects and compare. Count the number of objects and compare. See here, count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this side 4. So this is greater than this. 8 greater than 4. Here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 less than 10. Mouth is always open towards the bigger number. Remember that opening will always be towards the bigger number. Here 4 is big, 8 is big, so it is open towards 8. Here 10 is big, it is open towards 10. Now compare, fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, or equal to. See here, first always start comparing with the tens place digits. When both the tens place digits are same, then compare 7 and 5. Which is bigger among 7 and 5? 7 is bigger, so put greater than. Here also 20, 22, 2, say compare 4 and 6. 4 is less than 6, so 4 less than 6, 24 less than 26. Here compare tens place digits 1 and 3. 1 is greater than, 1 is less than 3, so 18 less than 32. Here 4 and 3, always start comparing with the tens place. 4 greater than 3. 26 to 2 equal, 6, 6 equals. So 26, 26 equals to 20, 29, 2, 2, 2 in the tens place, 2 in the tens place. Now compare 0 and 9. 0 is less than every number, so 20 less than 29. Write using symbols. Thirteen is greater than 10. How do you write this? 13 greater than 10. Just write the numbers in between, put the symbol greater than. "24 is less than 30. Write the numbers 24 and 30. 24 is less than 30. Write the symbol like this. 24 less than 30. "12 equals to 12. 12 equals to 12. Write yes or no for the given statements. See here 26, a symbol is given 46 and 26 is greater than 46. Is the symbol greater than? No, it is wrong statement. Here 32 greater than 23. See 32 is greater than 23. This symbol is greater than, so it is right statement. So according to the statements and symbols, statement should match with the symbol, then only you can write yes or no. And let us go with ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is from small to big. When you arrange the numbers from small to big, we call it as ascending order. So, take a set of numbers now arrange them in ascending order. Small to big, A-O, ascending order. So among all these, the two numbers are there with 1 in the tens place. Always check with the tens place, 1 and 1. And 9 in 1, 6 in 1s. Which is smaller among these two? 16. Write it first. Next comes 19. And there are no numbers with 2 in the tens place. This is 3, 4, 3. So this comes next. And there are two numbers with 3 in the tens place. 3, 3. Now check the ones place, 8 and 2. So which is small? 2 is smaller. So 32 comes next. Next comes 38. And the biggest number in the set is 40. Smallest 16. Greatest 40. So you can arrange a set of given numbers in ascending order like this. Take another set now. AOs, check the numbers. Only there is one number with 1 in the tens place, so it is the smallest number, starting 17. Next, there are two numbers with 2 in the tens place, so check with the ones place, 5 and 7. Which is smaller? 5. So 25 comes next, and next there is no other number with 2, so this comes next. And check with there are two numbers with 3 in the tens place. Check with the ones place now, 4 and 9. This comes first, next comes 34. And among these two, this comes first, 3 in the tens place. Next, finally, this is the biggest one. So in this set, smallest is 17, greatest is 42. And coming with the descending order now. Descending order is just reverse to this. We have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Take the set of numbers. $38. Now, DO, descending order. Among these, check with the tens place. So it has 4 in the tens place of all these. It is the biggest number, 43. Next, check with 3 in the tens place. 3. Now, check with the ones place now, 5 and 8, which is by 8. Next comes 38. Next comes 35. Next, coming with 2 in the tens place, we have only one number here. Next comes this. And here there are two numbers with 1 in the tens place. Check with the ones place, 6 and 9. Which is big? 9. So 19 comes next and 16 last. So, smallest, greatest is 43. Smallest is 16. In this way, you can arrange a set of given numbers with in ascending order and descending order. Pause. Yes, children, the numbers which we learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called as cardinal numbers. Now, you are going to learn about ordinal numbers. The numbers which represent the positions of the objects are called as ordinal numbers. And here, see the set of fruits here. Mango stands first, it's liked by everyone. Next comes second apple, third orange, and fourth grapes. So in this way, the position of the objects are decided in an order. To decide the position, we use the numbers called as ordinal numbers. For that, we use ST, ND and TH as suffixes. So if you score highest score in your class, that means you stood first in your class. The next one who scored better than you, less than you is second and third. As you are assigned ranks in the class, we use ordinal numbers to assign ranks or to decide positions. So 1 first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 fourth, 5 fifth, 6 sixth, 7 seventh, 8 eighth, 9 ninth, 10 tenth. In this way we represent positions by using these ordinal numbers, and only from fourth it is very easy, just add number th for the number. First, second, third you need to learn the spellings thoroughly, and remaining all according to the number you can add th as suffix to the number. So this shows the positions of the objects or students or any order objects. We can use these ordinal numbers. And 11 also we can write it as 11th, 12th, 12th, 13th, 13th, 20th, 20th, 19th, 19th. So in this way we can use ordinal numbers to show the positions. Children, many exercises are given on these concepts: comparison of numbers, ascending order, descending order, these ordinal numbers, from page number 44 to 54, and worksheet is also given at the end of the chapter. So complete all these things and worksheet will be sent through. Thank you.